Hello everyone. In the previous class we discussed our topic is like decimal to octal, right? So now in this class we will discuss our conversion with the decimal conversion to the hexadecimal. Here decimal means 10 and hexadecimal means here we have the 0 to 9, okay? 0 to 9 with the here decimal means here we are taking the base 10 and hexadecimal means you are taking the base 16. Okay, in this we have the 0 to 9 numbers, and in this we have the 0 to 9 and 8 to F. A means 10, B means 11, C means 12, D means 13, E means 14, F means here 15. So like that here we are taking. Okay, so your decimal here 10 is converting into the 16 value. So whatever we did in the binary values or else in the octal performance, same like that we are performing in this also, right? So here we are taking, okay, so 16 to performance. Okay, first here I'm taking the one example is 908. So here I'm taking the first example 908. So this example can be converted into our hexadecimal format with the base 16. Means here 908, we need to be convert 908 to base 16 value. Okay, let's see. First take 908 with a 16. Okay, so what we did in the previous binary and octal, same like that we are doing in this, but we are taking the value is like 16, so we need to be calculate with the 16 value. Okay, 16 fives are, okay, so here we will count with the 16 fives are, we will count that one. Okay, how much we will get here? 16 fives are 80 will get 16 fives are. Okay, we left with the 10. Okay, we left with the 10. 10 and 8 we have. Okay, means here 1 not 8 we have. 1 not 8 we have. 10 and 8, right? So we have total here we left with the 1 not 8. So here 1 not 8 means your 16 16 6 will get. Okay, so 16 6 96 and we left with the uh, 8 and 4 means here we left with the 12. Here we left with the 12. Okay, 16 56 ja 908, and you have to be add with the 12, you will get the 908. Okay, 16 into 56 plus 12, you will get the 908. Okay, and next here we have 16 again. 16 threes are, okay, once check 16 threes are 48. Left with 8. We left with 8. Okay, so it will becomes to 3 8 12. Okay, so again you have to be do like this. If you need only you can do 0 3 0 and 3. Okay, so here we got 3 8 12. 12 means here what we have? A means 10, B means 11, C means 12, D means 13, E means 14, F means 15. Okay, so for that you can display. So 12 we have, here we have directly 12. 12 means here C. Okay, then you can place your C base 16. Okay, we given like 908. Okay, 908 base 10 equals to 38C base 16. 38C base 16. So then check this one if it is correct or not. Checking process. Okay, 38C base 16 equals to how much of base 10? So how much of means here we need to be get the 908 only. Okay, 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2. Okay, 3 into 16 power 2 plus 8 into 16 power 1 plus C into 16 power 0. 3 into 16 power 2. 16 power 2 means you'll get 256 plus 8 into 16 plus C what we have here 12. 12 into 16 power 0. Okay, 12 into 16 power 0 means here 1. And next here we have 256 into 3. We'll get 768. And we have 16 into 8. We'll get 128. Plus here we have the 720. Sorry, we have the 12 into 1. 12 only. Okay, so here we need to be add these numbers. We'll get 908 only. We'll get 908 only. Okay, so and here whatever we took here, this is correct. Means here whatever we did in this process, this is correct only. Okay, so your 38C base 16 is again converted is correct format. Again it is converted. Okay, so next here take another example. Next here take another example. Second example. Here I am taking the decimal value is like 223. Decimal value is like 223. So 223 base 10. So this can be converting into base 16 value. This can be converting into 16 value. Okay, let's see. 223 16. Okay, 16 1ja. Okay, right? So we left with 6. 16 1ja 6 and we left with the 6. 63. We had the 63 and go with the 3. Okay, 63 we left and we are going to the 3. Means we will get 48. Means you left with the 15. Okay, so here if you have the 16, yes, directly we can place that one. So we don't have, right? So that's what here we took the 3 and we left with the 15 here. And next here 13 we have. Is this possible? No. So here 16 0 13, right? So directly we'll get here 13 and 15. 13 and 15 means here what we have in this 13 D. 15 means here we have the F. Okay, so DF base 16. Here 223 base 10 equals to DF 16. Okay, we got the DF 16. So then now you can convert this DF 16 to the 223 for the checking purpose. Okay, right? Then go for this. Okay, so here we have the 223. So DF base 16 can be converted into base 10 for the checking purpose. 16 power 0 and 16 power 1. Okay, D into 16 power 1 plus F into 16 power 0. Right? And D, what we have D here 13 into 16 plus F 15 into 1. Okay, 13 into 16 will get here 208 plus your 15. Okay, 208 plus 15 will get 223 only. Okay, so this is the base 10 value. Yes, this is also correct what we did in the previous example. So this is also correct. Okay, and next go with the another example. Next to go with the another example. Third one here I'm taking. Okay, so here I'm taking another example is like 348. 348. Okay, so this 348, how it will be takes the values. Okay, 16. Okay, 16 into 2 I'm taking for this 64, right? We left with the 2. 28 means here 1. Okay, 28 means here we'll get the 12. Okay, and next here we have the again 16. Again 16 ones are. We left with the 5. Right? And so here 348 can be converted into how much of? Okay, how much of base 16? How much of base 16? Right? So here we got this one 16 power 0 and this is 1. So okay, so here we got the 1, 5, 12. 12 means here we have the C. 12 means here we have the C. Base 16. 12 means here we have the C. Okay, base 16. Right? Yes. Now we need to be check this one if it is correct or not in the process of our performance. Okay, let's see this. It is correct or not. So 15C base 16 value will be equal or not for the 348 base 10 or not. Checking process. Okay, checking process. 1 into 16 power 2 plus 5 into 16 power 1 plus C into 16 power 0. 1 into 256 plus 5 into 16 plus C means here we have the 12 into 1. Okay, directly we'll get the 256 and 16 into 5. Okay, we will get the 80 and 12. Okay, so here we have 256 and 80 and next here we have the 12. So we'll get here 348 only base 10. So this is also correct format. This is also correct way. So what we did here, that is correct only. Okay, so if you need you can okay, if you need you can use the more examples also possible to perform in this, right? Any problem you can do for this, anything you can take, there is no problem for this. Okay, so these are the example for hexadecimal. Okay, so and we have the more conversions for perform. So means here always we are converting octal to binary to decimal, octal to decimal, and hexadecimal to decimal, or else we are converting decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal. Okay, so and we have the another conversions also. Means another conversions means here we can convert into different ways. Okay, we can convert into different ways of performances, right? We can convert that into not only base 2, 8, 16. We can convert that into another also. So let's see one example for that. Here I am taking the fourth example. I am taking the 100 base 10 and here I am converting this into the 4. This I am converting into the 4, base 4. How much of base 4? See, 100, 4 we need to be taken. 4 2s are and 20. 4 5s are 0. 4 6s are and left with the 1. 4 1s are and left with the 2. And here 4 0 1. Okay, we'll get here 1 2 1 0 base 4. Okay, 1 2 1 0 base 4. You can check if it is correct or not. Okay, so not only in means here we have the conversions is like mostly we are using the only base 2 8 10 16 only, but in the some situations if you got any example in your exam you can convert with the other one also. For this here I am teaching. Okay, 1 2 1 0 base 4 can be converted into our base 10 value. Okay, decimal value. Okay, 1210 base 4 equals to how much of base 10? Right? 1 into 4, right? We need to be perform 4. 4 cube plus 2 into 4 square plus 1 into 4 power 1 plus 0 into 4 power 0. Okay, 1 into 4 cube. Okay, 4 cube means here how much here we have the 64 and plus 2 into 16, 1 into 4 plus 0 into 1. Okay, 64 and 32 plus 4 plus 0. So we'll get here directly 64, and we have the 32, and we have like a 4, directly we'll get the 100. Okay, so here we got the 100 based on, yes, we did the correct way only. Okay, or else you can convert that into the 12. Okay, base 10. Okay, you are taking the base 10. So fifth example, here I am taking the 1715 base 10. You can convert this into base 12 value. Okay, base 12 means we have the 0 to 9, and after that we have up to C, A to C. Okay, so we need to be convert this one. 1715 base 12, 12 1 ja, okay, and 12 4 ja, 12 2 ja, and we're left with, okay, and we'll okay, so here we are not left with anything. You're not left with anything, right? So means 1 second, we need to check 142, and we are taking the so means 1704 we are getting. Okay, 6 and 5 we have, 6 and 5, right? 142 into 12 means your 1704, 1704, and we have this 1715 means you will get 11 left with, it is left with the 11. And next year 12, and 12 ones are, and we left with the 2. Okay, left with the 2 means your 22 we have, right? So again it is taking the 1. Okay, so means here will get the 10. So nothing will be there. 12, 0, 11 directly. Right? So means here 11 means here B, 10 means A, 11 means again B. So 12, base 12 for this, base 12. Right? So now we need to be check if it is correct or not. Now we need to be check this one if it is correct or not. Right? And next go with this. BAB base 12 equals to how much of base 10? How much of base 10? Okay. B means your, okay, first we'll write 2 power 2 A into 12 power 1 plus B into 12 power 0. B means your 11, and 12 into 12, 144 plus A means here we have the 10. A means here we have the A 12 plus B 11 into 12 power 0. 12 power 0 means here we have 1. 144 into we have 11. 1584. Okay, and we have 120 plus 11. Okay, 1584 plus 131 will get 1715 only. Okay, we'll get the 1715 only. Base 10. Yes, we converted successfully. Means this is also correct way. This is also correct. So, okay, so whatever it may be, any example you can take, we are converting easy to like this. Okay, or else we can take more examples also. Means here not only from the decimals, okay, not only from the decimals, we can convert into different ways also. Different ways also. Means how you are converting into different ways, right? So see this, we have the conversions for base other than 10 to another base other than 10. Okay, means you're not comparing to the decimal, we have another comparisons also. We are converting that into one method to another method. What we have, okay, see, First, we need to be perform the conversions from one base to one base other than 10 and 2 and another base of other than 10 means here. First, we need to be follow these some two steps. Okay, we need to be follow these some two steps. Okay, first we have the step 1. First, convert the given number to a number with the base 10. First, what we have the number, you need to be convert that into decimal value. Okay, first convert the given number to a number with the base 10. Your base 10 means your decimal number. Okay, whatever you have the number, first you have to be convert that number into the base 10 value. After the conversion of the base 10 means your conversion of the decimal number value, you have to be follow this step 2. Okay, so you're in this step 2, you have to be convert the number obtained from the above step to a new base number. Okay, so means you what we given in the previous. Okay, so what we have in the value, that is we are converting into the decimal value, and what we are choosing to convert, that is done by here. Okay, after the conversion of the decimal number, we are performing like this. Okay, now convert the number obtained from the above means your from the decimal number. What we got here, from that you need to be performed. Step 2a, new base number. Step 2a, new base number. Okay, so what we got your base number, so by that you need to be performed. Okay, so one example, you will understand how you are transferring that to one place to another place. Okay, so this, see, first here I am taking the one example is like 545. One example, 545 base 6 equals to, you need to be convert this 6 to 4. So here it is not compared with the decimal. Means here other than the base number is taking we are. Okay, and other than the base number we are converting here. Right? So we need to be convert 545 base 6 to 4. First we need to be follow this step 1. So whatever we have the value, that can be converting into the base 10 value. First we need to be perform this step 1. Okay, we have the 545. We need to be convert this 545 base 6 to base 10 value. We need to be convert this one into base 10 value. Means your 6 base 10. 6 to base 10. Right? 545 equals to 5 into 6 square plus 4 into 6 power 1 plus 5 into 6 power 0. Okay, and next your 5 into 6 square means your 36, and 4 into 6 plus 5 into 1. So if you are getting the confusion, means here you can give like this. There is no problem. If you are getting the confusion, means you can give like this. Okay, and next here we have 5 into 36. And next here we have the 5 into 36. 5 into 36 means your 180. And we have 4 into 6, 24. And we have 5. 180 plus 24 plus 5 means here we'll get the 209. We'll get the 209. So your 209 is the base 10. Okay, we got the 545 base 6 equals to 209 base 10. So means here we don't have any direct performance conversion for the 6 to 4. So that's what here we are following the 2 steps. First what we took, you have to be convert that into the base 10 value. What you got in the base 10 value, you need to be convert that value into what we took for the value. Okay, so now we got the 209. You need to be convert in the step 2, 209 base 10 into the 4. Okay, so your 209 can be converting into the base 4 value in the step 2. base 4 value in the step 2, right? So here 209 4 4 5s are directly, okay, 4 2s are, and we're left with 1. 4 1s are, 4 3s are, 4 2s are, okay, 4 2s are 8, means here we'll get the sorry, 4 3s are we will get, 4 3s are 12, right? 1 we left, okay, 4 0 3. We'll get here 209 base 10 equals to 3101 base 4. So what we given first here, 545. Okay, so this 545 is converted into 209 base 10, and this can be converted into 3014. Okay, so means here 545 base 6 equals to 3101 base 4. This is what we did here. So we are converting decimal to other system, means here we can convert directly. There is no problem. But when you're converting, okay, with the other number system to another number system without the decimal, so you have to be first convert that into base 10 value. After that you can process like this. Okay, any example you can take, not only this, you can convert any example like this only. Okay, and next take the another example for the checking purpose only. We'll get some understanding for that. Okay, so here I'm taking the another example will be like here I'm taking the binary digits. Okay, by that binary digits here I'm converting to other number system. Okay, so how you're converting? So that is also following the step 1 and step 2 formats. Okay, see this. Here I am taking the 1 0 1 0 base 2. Okay, 1 0 1 0 base 2. This you need to be convert into base 8. You need to be convert this one into base 8. Okay, so you have to be convert base 8. Okay, so in the previous directly we did. Yes, that is simpler. But how we need to be perform this 1 0 1 base values, only digits we are performing. So digits also converted into the base 10 values only. First you have to be convert this one. Step 1. Okay, convert your 1 0 1 0 2. Okay. So we'll get 2 power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll get the power 5. 2 power 5, 2 power 4, 2 power 3, 2 power 2, 2 power 1, 2 power 0. Okay, 2 power 0. And 2 power 5 we have. 2 power 5 means here we'll get 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Okay, 32 plus 0 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0. Okay, 32 plus 8, 40, 44, 46. We'll get here 46 base 10. Your 1 0 1 0 base 2 value is the 46 base 10. 46 base 10. Yes. Now you can convert this into 8 value. Okay, so means here step 2, 46 base 10. Now again it is converting into base 8 value. Again it is converting into the base 8 value. Yes, 4 8 8 5s are 40 and left with the 6. Directly we'll get 0 and 5. Okay, we got the 56 base 8. We got the 56 base 8. Okay, so means here 46 base 10 equals to 56 base 8. 56 base 8, right? Means 10110 base 2 again converting into 46 base 8, base 10 to 56 base 8. 56 base 8, right? And 10110 base 2 value is the main value. Okay, so this is the our value. This is our value, right? So like this, you need to be convert. If when you are taking the other number systems, you need to be convert with like this. Okay, whatever it may be, you can convert like this. Okay, any else? Not only this example, you can convert any other example, right? Means here you can take not only this binary system, you can take any other binary systems. You can convert that one. Okay. So suppose you are converting binary to octal, or else octal to binary. Okay, so anything you can convert anything. So first we'll discuss those problems in the next classes. First see the another examples for this. Okay, third one. Okay, we did here 2 to 8. Okay, so already we did here a 6 to 4, right? So now we need to be convert 4 to 6. Now we need to be convert 4 to 6. Okay, so here I am taking same example 545 base 4 I am taking. So you can convert that into 6 value. You can convert that into 6 value. So first you need to be follow the step 1. 545 base 4 we are taking. Okay, 5 into 4 2 plus 4 into 4 power 1 plus 5 into 4 power 0. 5 into 16, 4 into 4 plus 5 into 1. Okay, what we have here 16 5s are. Okay, we have these 16 5s are, and 16 plus 5. Okay, we have total 80, and 16 and 5 will get the here 101. Okay, we'll get the here 101. So in the previous what we got 209. So why? Because here in those we converted 6 power. Okay, so and now you can convert this into, okay, now you can convert this into step 2 for performance. Okay, so step 2 will be like this. Step 2 will be like this. But we have 101 can be converted into how much of 6? How much of 6? Okay, 101 6. 101 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. We left with the 4. 41 we have. Okay, 41. 6 6 are 36. 36 means here we left with the 5. Okay, we left with the 5. Okay, so 1 6 16 into 6 96. Left with the 5. And 16 2s are. Okay, 16 2s are. So and we left with the 4. 6 0 and 2. 6 0 and 2. Okay, we'll get here 2 4 5 base 6. 2 4 5 base 6. Right? So now you need to be convert this value. You need to be convert this value. Okay, so what we got here 101 245 base 6. right? What we given first here, 545 base 4 equals to 101 base 10, that can be converted into 245 base 6. Okay, for value can be in the 245 base 6. Okay, like this you need to be convert the values. Again, take another example like here I'm taking the okay, example 2 6 7, 2 6 7 I'm taking. So here I'm taking base 4 again, and this can be converted into 8. This can be converted into the 8 value, right? Whatever it may be, you can choose anything. Right, here I'm choosing in the step 1. Step 1, you need to be convert into base values, right? So 267 can be converting into the base value first of all. Okay, 2 into 4 2, and 6 into 4 power 1 plus 7 into 4 power 0, 2 into 16 plus 6 into 4 plus 7. Okay, so 16 into 2, 32, and 24. Okay, 32 and 24 plus 7. So what we will get here, 32. What we have here, 32 we have, and we have the 24 plus we have the 7. So total will get the 63 base 10 here. 267 4 equals to 63 base 10 value. So now we need to be convert this base value to the 8. Okay, so in this step 2 we need to be convert this one. Okay, so here 63 can be converted into the base 8 value. Base 8 value. Okay, so then take your 63, 8. So directly 8 8 is 64, but here we have the 63. So means here now we need to be go with the 8 7 is 56. Okay, how much we left here? We left here 7. Okay, and next here sorry, 8 7 sorry, not 56. 8 7s are, we have the 56, and left with this 7 again. Okay, so 56 means here 4 and 3 7 we have. So again there is no possibility. Okay, so means here 0 and 7. Okay, left here 7 and 7. We have the 7 and 7, right? This 7 and 7 is the base 8 value. Okay, so here we converted, what we converted, 7 value, 267. We took the 267 base 4, that is converted like a 77. Okay, so here 63 base 10 equals to 77 base 8. So what we took here is 267 base 4, that can be converted into 63 base 10, and that is again converted into 77 base 8. Here we took this 267 base 4, so that is directly converted here 8 value. Okay, so here what we can, anything you can choose that can be converted easily to the our process, that is converting into the our process, whatever it may be, anything you can take. So that is directly converting into the our process. Okay, so means here not only decimals, not only octals, not only binary, not only hexadecimal, whatever you are choosing, that is always converting into the any other system, any other number system. Okay, so here we are taking the other systems will be like 4 6 8. If you need, you can convert 12. Okay, any other example you can take that is easily converting, any other you can take. Okay, you can perform conversion into easy way, you can perform conversion into easy way, anything you can take, anything you can perform is possible to it is possible to perform in the our decimals. Okay, so this is class. This is the today's class. Okay, in this hexadecimal we discussed only 4 examples only, right? So okay, if no problem, so if you need, you can check more examples. Okay, and next class we will discuss how to convert the octal to binary, binary to octal. So like this we need to be convert. Okay, so in next class we'll discuss in the topic with us. Thank you.